Clarity, without rush. Correction, without shame. Direction, without panic. The whisper won't flatter your ego or feed your dread. Learn a sound you can trust when feelings don't agree. Save this for the next time you're unsure which voice to follow. The still voice is steady, not dramatic. Kind, not indulgent. It nudges repair, honesty, and the next small, faithful step. If a message asks you to abandon love to follow it, that isn't the whisper. Expect clarity that frees, not fear that binds. Clear, kind, steady.